political discussion. I mean, say was being bibi every mu ayana kofupi omusi ya brain pipi ya brain this and so just be a citizen and not a spectator. The sentinel so do kukumuti eto abanko ade Ghana stem Ghana komo e was say would be anope komo ye be and say ukura parliament house ye di 2023 budget no etuja no finance minister the budget betuja Ghana ko masika no e won sem nyina make sense bi e di betuja no enuma bi wo mu a e wo say wonum ehwe mahye bi defo hwe na wo mu agitume pass se ne be ya wo betimi edi aye adwuma next no abetuja say ebesi say yem papa finance minister edi Ghana ko masika betuja no enu bebre wo senka mahye bi defo etnase no mu gitum no mutimi edidi dwuma no up to now wonu entimi ensinkonwa etnase all because say we call if you hono na nipa bebre eni ho no na minority for ekaste say abaya sha no bebre budget no a e wo say wo mu agitum edidi dwuma no wo mu nyitum because bebre hono a wo mu mpe ni stent no wo mu hwe ni nya sa pa dia enya ade a wo mu ebeji ede atumo no enam so ma ban ababontin ababeka wa be friend MPs ni nyina majority for ni nyina wo mu any parliament house was say mututu mi ka be bi obi a wo bia no omrefu be bia MP bia wo no abaya tunsa from nyina say wo mo emra mahye bedwafie se ne be ya wo mo ebitimi atnase agogo ho na mbegya tum a wo magya tum no na nkofo bi say ye dododo no ena ye de beje sebi enoma bi budget ni mu na tum anase wo mo nyintu anase den ye bedi mu nkomo ena no pay anase fon sa ba bonta be kasa na wo mo nsema wo mo kan nyina anase from 2019 bebri na ewi school no enya ade ye posti wo mo enya ade ya fo mo adwuma enti no wo mo so no kasa pa abedwafo betnase message ne bi so mo say abai sika ena oni ena nunti no yenwa no mai bebre na mabu bebre awareness na wo mo entimi emposti wo mo sene be ya wo mo benya adwuma aye anopai enkomo aye bedini wadwinche wo comment wo view what have you is so much welcome wo call a Facebook session na wa drop your comments ni na wo making kind ejama Koowaa TV GH. Yes, we are live on Koowaa TV GH. It's Koowaa na odo comments no akugo wo the SMS so ba making kind ni na ejama wa anopay yem fast the PC ema odi4 even for about something kwekuye boa basu di shebia na adwumu kanom we the normal basa e mobro wanyanka kwafo ye nyina yeseno no nti papa si ye ntutumrika na ye no ajapekrom ibipim e wo japekroma odinedru ebekan ama ayarisa etimi ayedia ye no mu adidie mu nsu no mu ntade hye mu nso no aye bibie wo ho no papa si wa ye krado say obeboa ye mabrinye ye nsu ye ni etimi achi anope nchaso no enkoma wodi4 even for ba something kwekuye banyakopon onsha papa na onye wakoma swadi nyina emfama anope dorifa bigo platform sunya yimu wo da sukwe mu secretary won mo say Diane ye da so much ne kusi sebie so sebie nyado to ne sent doctor anope chiao priste baby obia dorifa vigo plus ena enemu yade etetiwa wa himfia ye baso se menu aba nombe into fite free ho eba yin sawan sebie so sebie nyato no do fushia na akoye bibie wo ho wadawo ma min sada min say ma no pay so ba ma baby anye kama ma baby anye wisi wo hwe ne ho anye wisi am so wata e dorifa vigo plus pibi nanonom sebi HIV money be aboro ni pedue ma enom so no kwana kopebie na no no mame wono no ma ebi yade ni nyina afi ho meso bebo nsem papa e de ama edri ni pe bebre ta ka mo si o e na no boss edra ensem fata se wo se wonom eye you know herba ka ho who said that? Well, I'm not a doctor, but I'm telling you that kwana kope dorifa vigo plus na no no mame na so wono no ma obi hu say you dia ye dru. If you say titi atimpono obadi no bina ha abaidu nsi no eno na doctor akakabo eno odiaye etu wunya bi na asa wono ma ebeboa wo papa pharmaceutical shop bi etu edu no benya bi ato doctor say wuntimi ko ba bi ampo na say odi bro wo ba bi awo a friend number na eda screen so no waye crowd say odi edru no a ebebro anopei adwumaku mienu we ena won ma gibre etebri wo mu siketwitwiti aso yasene ema yedi ko wajumedi ebro and I say Koowaa with morning show ebro one more time you're live on Facebook Koowaa with TVGH live on YouTube Koowaa with TV Samdaku's initiative Samdaku's TV sono yeah live subscribe to your channel na like your page no comment na share na afofon so enyebi and share wow. Another very motivational medemao is as simple as ABCD. Cut your coat according to your size. But what must say? Cut your coat according to your size. And no, and I'm pimping. The pay break was a about you near home better. Nearly a month for Becca. Near home better. What I say? Ubi wa no one so adibi. Then so a shankophobia. One more year into a yebi. We want so say. Relax and cut your coat according to your size. Do you bet me aye? Do you ya ho beto? When your problem and no enaye. Sebi son sebi nyado. Onta de emiensa eye nine. Combine them. Obese combination. For we see so na call baby. Do you want to know yene kama na call baby? Enya by force. Say chinchine twan. Enko force san ho de bia. Enti e wo say won so akodi ni ntimi no. E wo say o san ho de bia. Wo yesa be ye kromfo. Wani be brade. Sebi obekwa akowia. Efi say wo ho so. E na be he no yo ba. Na ni a. Mpra ba point so no. Age so fa mpra mi nu mi ensa enan. Efi say ebi na adwuma kra wo ye no. Ontimi fan danda no ho ento we ga kese emoti akese na so nkrofo ye ntino obai woni abre brenye woni abre upenyi be 3000 4000 5000 e de buti so ade ada na onye de ho beto woni adwuma wo sebi obi na ma kakra na so the pressure koto no so e pa to cut your coat according to your size why entade ne de wo share ya che no start ko she minimum maybe besi or si kona kofa de ostati wo share ya chepa 5 months 6 months ye no be on matter bi wo share a chepa wo say eh ya to share chu wo ye kraba adun ana na wo san kofa no wetin dey look at the brain bi ehu na ye kwada bi ade any pressure let's so say bro nya be cut your coat according to your size mini anoma ye wigi ye miensa ye na adan no a eye 4 ye na adan no a empa 1 year 5 6 ye na adan no a enye pressure nye chinchina etwan woni obi anko competition wonti obi anche nko school pacho wote emfa pressure bi anto ho so na afi no be no make bi a single mother wona amfa ne omoko tususu ni mo bi otususu a o so di kudi ne sofu bronya na so ni my school fees wonti metia e kola mi no single mother o wa wo memu mi nu nanso me nka so do sofu bronya nye nanso ya pamone be de bia every day ni apamone be school fees mbese meka adwuma awoye nanso susu kakra wo twa no na me ko wa wo so nya 1000 odi kodi ne bro no sofu bronya me say we okay o sa ko si ade na me say we okay afro be ni na me say so bi ase wo jim papa what to susu de bia be na oba etifi de bia na oba etifi what to susu odi kodu sofu ne bronya we okay say am bisano wana mamba abisina wuni adwene o mati fie ntimi ko school sofu me ko school fede na mabro chire kwanso etika papam ehentade papa shawbani ti ho hwadwuma wa woye wonya kakra wo so wodi kodi sofu bo watu susu ne saa wanye enya 1000 Ghana de bi eba to 20 10 5 2 3 wonya 1000 wodi kodi sofu bo nya ehwana mkoye mesre wa sofu mama mbufu mi o but look at this so one kasa sofu kubi senka woni mse say ena sababa wa ne ye no de bedu bem se odi broker wo nyi beka se safa ko wa be say de ni brunya ti mesel say do unyonko town ho de I don't think say Bible no crap en sa mesel se busu bibria wo chibie ye kakra bi kra wotimiche ba fifiansa Party. Na cut to coat according to size. Me say, what give me more than that. At I only me more than that. Me favorite shoe and the same. Yeah, no matamaba, and then my can have that. The Brigano to voice and a wow, no pro. We just be goofy as an famous madam. We should no guano, the Brignomian and to what I say. Ubia one favorite. Me favorite in the seminar, and I come on about me shop. What I have monitor. Me, I am not because fast, Namana Mason. Also, dear, fair one show be so because a pamper what we show in a day, a medium in costly. Jawdia, sir. What it now won't talk. Yamen cow. So, Venessa, Mr. Cut your coat according to your size. I don't pay for me. Won't put him how on it. Is a quada, Bunya, a da, a tosswin. Still, I don't put him. A dear, no, a how. And no, I don't pay seed to whom come. Or frame me, I can't, they won't put them. I ate it you. And no could turn on a pay. Best of framing. Now, Mpacho, Femi. Emre Abino. Emre Amanyufo. Emre PP NDC. Ye tree winning between the Epicrana. 1 Epicra. 1 was 20. Famous families not to screen or so. Na Framing. A gen titi one of pain. I won't put him. In soon Kania. A pine. Missy Media. Mebo mira kokuka titi so saa wo boa sesa ko system ho se saa efri bonku bri ho no e de besi saa junction ho kakra na ya kwan na besi na eda so da ho na udu ho a na traffic kache na totam me ho kakra na wotimi di traffic so a na ahunte me se me ye boa sini me kro me nzima de me ta ma ho ntimi hu de wo ho enti mo am wo nzima no mo frɛ me na mo nka na saxim grofo a relative ku so no ngbaima mo la jijibela bevrem na beha na Ghana kwanyini Ghana ga ne odi no ye nwede bi ovo mabe bedan ba okeka mezie matikobo number 1 number 2 adro abuja nkola papa so azu benyina ma de bi amol ha bo kela bevre ezma bugo obo aso betimanga de bi amol jijibela bevre na beha number ni amba mi do screen ya azola frem anke she possible mola jiju onwo mwela frame na Ghana ganene odie because kukrumuti power ye befa betuga befa be maba ye tuga ne ma bewia ani be yibenye ye be gwazro ya dindedede copy k be ba ye nye ne kpare baba ba wan ya mikrofon fatfo no America nyina anye de mbo oncho mo ombre ye nkoda ye nkasa copy time a obutu mu aye me ye penyina waza amahen ati ntibe nkere ya abraban no ene ye kan kwa womba ye bokodo ne yaka wo ba nya elele nka na sem bi jana da ma so bokodo no asayo o san so odawa wodo nti o de kodo kan kopme time o betisa dem pepepe na mpede ya aba no pocho wasifo mo ma mo sori na mo nka what ya say mo nka na abanu nye mpotema obosi bebi a yenye no yes e kwai ba konso a e type pa e wo gwase sa kof kanso kwan no okofe nyinem fi enyinem lodge wo branch ebesi wo back of kanso abeti si junction o bidiem se ho kwan no fe ni bidiem I guess I'm right bidiem yes so what I say e ko bebi abo ahin best fi no wona ate say bidiem you Messi, Sakof concerning one a DBC junction. Look at that. Sakwana tutuache, I say a che. Sakwan is not to say, travelers be brave, so one more quarter cradi, I just say doom cow. Takwa, one more fast sakwan of sopa. Maybe I told me a quick quatting. What the unquana within woman no more empty by coming me deep or was it? Minimum MC in the dean, come about that. Come about that, the MC I know. Nancy, I don't pay when you call our line. So, but you didn't go be afraid me free. Yo, man, so and so crew, Janet City or
I'm
Minim say empenifuti na so ho so mbetwen ne beto aba no aba ye di kokromoti no so ebetwen wo mo nyame nka ho de etiti wo potem no me pa cho frame na ka me ka me di wo etika de. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pa cho ni be a frame free. Great. It's one okay. Say, Ghana buy 50 pounds. And can we get sober? And can one so, like I say, any kakra, the one car, the party, one that took you on, it's best of you one, not free, not if you are not crying, if you say, Sapa no crying, me say, and then my car basketball. Sir, Coach Council Choir, Munye. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ode umpachona hoye.
Mpacho bani mango fenwe pa na otwe.
Yana, me hoye pa.
Program prophet ni matizibu za dankwa mimi
Yentiwa.
Mpacho bani na mse ku kwa nungi. Ilo jaba kan okombe.
Okay.
Anya meksa mu ko bale. Kisi ampani fose. So mu se mu kamu ko bale dia, yeso mu se madu. Ye promote pa montisa. So mu kwanye kama mayen na ye bre kana ukuru ka proper so ni sanso so a tela kwano ni bre oso. Kisi ampani fo. Yeso mada. Omu pese omu banyefa isu ana eni mu kwanu ye na bre ye promote o yan pesa adem.
Okay.
Ibi bi kese eni kese de mawu. Yan pese si we push ni treatment na the show mother yan kanisa omunya mai omo ke show mother omunya mai na misha baba
insha papa Reverend Martin o say bonso yakoponya wakoma so de enfamo every morning you are with us here on Koowaa television na now e wota no so na I want to say meti won ka che bibia boko na be mienu mi ensani meti won ka e wo me fidi so na now Michelle baby I will be hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Me ba chona I want to say
yes I do ma na po me
na ko na do ma mo se fantia meti wa no pay what me say
na wa ide wadama the show tell so na pere nkomodo ami bi for anka to cross.
Okay.
Waya de wa abasan anyen abasan ekonomi so bina ko ewu wala from okromen oniba anyen abasan obusu wo duma na be.
Okay.
But offer the abasan to someone the economy masra na de so ayo onyen pankan.
Okay.
Ejumode be no ye no abasan ko ni mo.
Fine.
No na abasan anka to force.
Okay.
Nice. We did the cookie amateur with a winner basson.
Okay.
No more can look in my car to so why if film everybody to you can could do that much run there from my basson every two could do but your own young money because of one one way I can be bar into another or one family my day until you must run there from could to a basson. on fanka woman.
Okay.
But you may be the no I was going on about some cool morning.
Alright. Nyankopon unso papa de why ati mabebo na bado we free do at forcing baby will be uncle you chop papa. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, went me engine store. Wow, my main comment make out say you're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, some darkos and next year some darkos TV so no you're live and subscribe to your channel, no one like your page, no one comment, no one share na afofo so any be our share. Still on me beside say on put them ho eje na how. Yen na yemi ya no. If you say you beto about what's akwa no to one any one wasem. Won call our line so hello, good morning.
Morning.
Ode na what say? Right so we didn't baby afraid me free. Okay, into one open. Passion one uncle into it.
No, passion. I don't know if you the color eco teacher. You're calling what kind to use as a school class and beyond my education. You're calling my school.
Okay. Yo, Papa, yeah, that's the pap. Meaning, say, Ghana banning in penny for 1 month, 1 car, 1 baba, no more be a dear mount. Yakupon 1 day. Na snasi no kuse o me ba be edge ama o mama me ya o mu dukum ha mo pa mo o be di da mo pa mo mo pe so ni agbo chia wo mo ai enra bala because I was here twa wo mo pa o ba be chi ha o ka so ba be ginger be campaign hey be you 2024. Hello, good morning. Okay, me movie o me se me de me comedy enti won so ka wo de me se me de boase kwaso na menam me ye boase ni enti no mesro say empotem bia na se empotem bi wo boase na se bia me fa ho enti minimu a me so free na ka de me wona me meka ti so ko anu tu mo na se wo no wan ka expect say Diane me ba be fa no me fa ho ye ba bia na me fa enti sa ko ka so kwan ne de enyina ra du kwan ne de me fa ho ena junction kwan so de ne nyina wo na so ko he kra na wo be ra boase kwan ho na be fa enti sa udru junction na obeko straight to say the woko nyinem road na okofa mangwase na wo dia branch akwa my school anim ho na dia nyinem lodger na wo so wodru junction na wo ko straight a me pa cho ada kof cans kwan na kof cans no bidiem kwan no enyenyenyenyenye utum sam na so bad. Hello, good morning. Hello. Good morning. Alright, it's one.
From so good
Alright. Nyami sha papa oba kumasi abontin so dia baby ba kwa mkofa mu so mu ye ho adwuma na mani agi I don't know but na me kwa kofa ma we say how far they are, you know, they've gone when it comes to the rules if any say adija stress adija and also so no we say now I think about a week or two me kofa now one more here. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Ode pacho jini baby afraid me free.
But just me just look at your boss.
Thank you for calling me from Obuasi Meniaje. Mpacho Yintiwano.
Yeah, Mpacho Obuasi because we are
okay.
Mpacho Obuasi kwa no ya kwa enye kwa
akukari krumwana.
Akukari kwa free akukari technical je ya akukari krumwana.
Okay.
Ya kwani yenye contract na babe yega tetini na ama said the bell akukari krumwana technical je odi ya krumwana. Contract na babe gata gata na we no kwa kwa enye gata wose ko also ye no. Kwani mina sema na si the motos ni nya agent okwana so no enye.
Okay.
The best thing I'm already making right now, I could tell a pro, I could tell a young boy about
so me that's what frame me from Adanse Akrokeri. Of course, me Akrokeri Training College. Na those time they need any more than a kama. But I don't know. Say to sa me ba be fa ho. If you had a message the room kakra na ma hwesa kwan no. Na me ba metimi asikyere ma no. Wonye fa maye. Na me kwa na me nwa say abayo tiswe o strongholds Ashanti region. I think Ashanti region dey kenu kwan say wotutu yasekra na nka wo mpo na yose nka wo ye ne wow. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. But you know my self from you. You come to me.
Yes you.
Na but you we are putting say you could abasam. Da mu kwan ni. Kudu tabasam e kwani ya kwa niye ya bese ya nka to force omwo ya twice ya frano oyi ni me to please into omwo ya so one sakra wise
okay obeye ede amamo senior waye bi no. In fact, I'm impressed about the fact that why you be a more born up so and in the mestre about sorry na Ashanti region one or two about now I don't make what rich condos me share madam for or say about the ready. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me the body check. Okay, you too.
Hello.
If I talk about no call it you. Little call TV ya call Kasa. That's what I'm saying. No one you free na mama fofo na yenko emane hijack line no. He said wo hunu kuma wo TV na wo he no. Enti ye say wo potem de tete no. Just come and say it na Ghana wine enti ya sekire ya no kan ye de tintin because ye ni abrikukuru motipa ya to aba what you say enti be kan wo de dabai sokobai no so no wo no ajuso how far are you people going that ben na mo beguso eno amefa so mfutro mesre se mo ajuso a ye baba Kofi Job we di anope woni Mr. Yego amichiamo mo de a senia mo ye no mo nye na efro preko eno ama ho me ka mefa so ba ya me ka poto enti be dia nkwam se ye no mo kwa di ma me peko ade eno ko bo so mo ti what the matter any no one is every one of the kind of people 20 say a mood kakra. Hello. Good morning. Mpacho, good morning. Madam Mpacho, me say chia be more. Okay, when to me jina me line so. Oh, now you anytime I see be a friend candidate. Community me who ni na wo potem ho wo na wo te ho wo na wonim de ekosto eyensu eyenkania ewe bi won wait me to pipe ma na wo twe na emie semfo be ni se bi kwa hono kwa wo munye nsumpo e na omanom stream a wo mokra kosa na mo de aye aduane no wo ho a na owura ho messe Ghana ban me se mo ntimi chiche sika ma ya no pa bi ne mum ade am betimi ya mai ya kwan ye hospital yensu asa wotiti petrol so awanye na in fact wo mo be kokua wo mo nya bia twenua na befie krum na nya bia to na nya bia di na se mo gya ye ho sa na kwan ne nya kwan no pole hia me de kwan me de bi na kwan nya na me yim kwan nya na me yim pa na no me ko ayi ye fa ni ta di japo am se Ewurade papa Kennedy nya ho do pa aka me ma menu mi won se nya mi sa ko he papa se ento wa na wonu ho wa na menu mi won mi du kwan so se Ewurade Yakopon e die ni e futu pan ni but mi hu say one more day ahia because I start to be corrected. I know say by now dey ebi a one more day ahia na level so we because na one gusua one mo je adwuma ne gidigidi enti no na mi shamo mo amoye eye adija seso adija kwan no eno so no Yakopon enka mo ho manya call our line so hello good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mido udini baby afre mi fi.
But I told you I didn't have my friend appear.
Okay.
Stop appear. But me a friend of the Koowaa Bishop na continue na mission but you are from the video. Let me just say on the studio na.
Acho baba subi wa nti koda na hwe ai. Enti ile hwe na. Ile hwe bi wa na oda koda na hwe na nye atasa Yakopon papa baba ai. Bye darling. Also able to our film na yakwe portal for me 39 minutes after 6 a.m. we're live on Facebook. Koowaa with TVG. What is really worrying you in your area? What area how do you to soon kania? Light of know what to say. I say be na watching them me share be with me. Me say be me do fe no mo. Hello, good morning. Nana I feel. Nana hoye. Nana mpacho Yakopon adome hoye pa. Nana nyamishra. I am in sharp Hamidasi. The born and a dinner because now she and I'm intending can we feed some in another day. We try me a barna, Yakopaya day. Hey, say Casamoti. Yay, Nana Yakopo in sharp papa no you are day and farmer. Braco America. Eh, Braco, how are you? My feel said so Yakopo in sharp. I look to Nobu, I'm a cowboy Steve if we do Yvonne or day, George Mame, Muninara, Yakopo in Sham, Thomas Chiba, for Williams, of course, Mante, Danny Boy, one will share what was via the internet. We say thank you so very much for choosing us every morning. Television stations so also, and to the much you see, and I was saying, Chamo Christy, Papa, Mefa call you chat to a mashadi, my train, my big for me, me drinking, and then my Sunday, the year me phone in no, I want to more, but at time and so my feel be a man pressure with ya, and no, Baba, or my own better than some more what I don't win so and then you mean a baby. Wow, intimate system. In fact, Yakwaya enye abai wonu penny for munya mai.
Hello.
Good morning. Oh, that's correct. Hello. My TV in conform. Now what me at? All right, you see one okay. You see it. I made us papa and carry a sam and on a quine here. A quine a corn carry penny, carry kuman, carry penny, quine swana. I don't know because they didn't because once a secondary school, a man said that Hello, good morning. What you say?
Hello.
Now what you say?
Now
what I'm gonna say?
Simon Bayo, why would they say Simon Bayo?
Hey, Simon, you want to pay?
Ghana, so. And you for him. There be a walk out of ha. So I want you to me, I want you uncle. Oh, there's an over whom you could acquire. Kappa. Now, so you won't get a I want you to me in the hand of the cocoa. Come on, own job, your contact account. Then pay you what you really hype them. I want you to walk in the idea. I'm brown, I'm all black. You know, before black contact is black. I will know your man thing about Google Bank. I'm not banners, so I will black. Then I'll not say for the near comment to talk. Come on, bye bye.
Bye bye. Oh my God. Anyway, it's all good. You're in 44 minutes after 6 a.m. Of course, we're live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Some Dark Horse Initiative, Some Dark Horse TV, and so on. Momwaye na Monshe Mfa Emma Yen. We are talking politics this morning. I don't pay Koowaa EBD and say ever since Finance Minister de Ghana Komosika Ebetu Jano in Simbia okay, especially with the sanitary pad that the tax official one more more cry the official near Tati and common be one debut on Sana and no and was almost sinkunya and one machine with your fee no more boom no more share so meet me a pastel or no with me a jatum net me a ye juma no. And I better just say minority first say I buy in same you are ya don't be jatum and same you are and I say all budget in my yadia won't be a day at sumo hello good morning me don't patch your dinny baby I'll frame me free
but
okay see I'm patching into one of it
more about my power with my man
with us
the attempt we are connected and some of the buy. Upon all Qatar, we need serious. When you are come to show up on the cup, and then what to the unity and come back after the movie and call it Yahoo. So, man, with a man, I do some of that. Into Qatar, one festival, we are in the Ama. Upon the Papa, was doing oh. Punjima and Koso and Kokasina, Papa, the Minister, or anti Fogo Brown, such a young Papa, young family. Yeah, we are here. And the MPP are buying no monkeys here. And now they are not about movie. The shark man from Maria, the Kasiama. Sports Minister, Sabi, 86 sports, Amadana. You could, and I said, this is a criminal. What do you free say the Basaco Yana Country Pantawa sports ministry. The head of Mayano. Crack Cabot told me a year about our sports also. Sabi, Amwa, 80 years 12 Mobile. Of the Oma Ghana. Sports minister Paco the Club for her. Look on, tell it my coin. Mama, overhead the eye. Oh, and then we are on my boy, man. I'm not minding punch on my course with my bum. And the population had do a man of the family to claim in our own area. Oh, yeah. And the Papa many people are also there to be. Let there be a couple of the MPP of the Club.
Yame and cow, what's so watching, of course, can be Mammy Kebi, and no, and a debo my into baby. I won't know. But in fact, I know. Sini pa betu aba pa kujine via super sola ye betu aba sheksa na kofo isi muni faso obubu faso se ya na midiha na mina mi se na betu me no makosola tintintin no mato aba tintintin na omodi ama penipeni betina so a osima kwan yenye this no so ye kasa mi de titiri kwa e asantime mu kwa de senia MPP aban senia mo fie ni ha I was thinking how quiet so cool. Then come work and say, hey, everybody say, John, why you want to so cool? And I'm so cool, I get to a 20. Now see you who's out of my wing. na so ye hu sanoma we nyina e dey asem kroni kwa puto ja kwan so ko hade from friend say wo mo bu from sexual kusi sefiase nti wo di rap puto ja no che se aden e kwan no eno so esi wo ho ana esi wo ho from aputo ja e dey ko eno so ayese munyan aye munyan ya ye ko jafa di branch e dey koyoko so kwan na koyoko no ni nyina basa uduwa kasi bi so won kwa na ba pragiafo ne mu ne ye dey twu ne ye da fon pacho e ho sem munyan so ti mesre Ghana penimfo eno ya di bi ha dwene ya kwan o ye pewe ya kwan wo kwan ye na wutu kwan kura wo wasomdwe e kwan ne ye na akwa o yim hyeso e kwan ne nya na no me ko fa ta kura de kwan so e no so saa from nyamansa e ko e kwan ne bi tutu se basa ne ira no e ha dwene e be se what is all this what we talk about so what we see from the ana e politicians say na me dream wa ana nwa what we see from ni na e ba e be do come na so to about we we so mo cast never people egrum na moto no cry pe okra wo what baby e ade bi ya ni ye me nwa ana what's right say we peer to say I will tell you John you say hey what why kitwe eje so we see fire can go to gatim it's very bad munye mayawati munye emfa emaye obwasifo misimi lokweku atin si akon ti so aka no pe me bo ti so ama fi so ko ada ka me pa telephone afa no live e we fidie so na so me lokweku atin me ni number I'm sure is obwasi east or obwasi north I stand to be correct I don't know specifically but we do here aba ye be to aba ma no me by electricity home me kavai me kavai e de mic is so my meji o kasa nyina bi enti wo die metimi abodin akasa ti mesre sawonya kwan no na wo be ye to aba ma mu ya na no no aso ti ko to aba ma bibi kwa na ikura isi enye we dey ma bia be tag me political party bi anope but very bad wo me ye maye yesrewo obasikru me see a free junction e dey kokof cancer sa kwan na kokof cancer no asa na wa branch akwa nyinem wo ko nyinem lodge we kwa na faso precious yes precious e dey ko nyinem lodge enye time udu opa na wan to gwa se me so ka bi mu wa faso ma wo na dey obi pino ho are gwasi for what to mbe frɛ no musuo ena won ka hwe no waye din wan tell no waye din make we ka ma won cha make bi nti member Mira Jackson Fra Atnase Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the FDC member na kwaba na yemura yensem no emu Mira kwaba
ye obade hye
na hwe
nyame adumbo
ma feel
oh me aso ma feel
as last week me hu
last week me by my name by Jordan
pam
hairstyle me friend
oh thank you
the hairstyle me who na
oh you like you adore it I love girls though
but really fatal
oh thank you so much
why should be a baby attach
me can show you Martin say kwa dey easy kwa me tuato ade chene so yesa dey ahye
na be show bi num so wanya na ma we rent asande ti se ne ti
I don't be adwuma mo o say awusia woni bibi in fact say no you rather mu a na mutu mani mu wagina ene ibi huma ho ibi hu sese wo ofe na woni
wo a reason ne titi pa wo tu wagina tum say man fe
mo faisa we wa ka ba bi
ye no
bi awoko
de we me ye de ko ye na me de ko ma de pa chi say no wa ma ye ko wa 24 hours wa ma ye everything akadi akufo do ne ba wo ne ba ye aka nyom ba ye o na wo motimi de o ma na ko ye
okay
sisi bi ayi ya na sifo dwane na dwane die na de be boa ne 24-hour economy is it was say okay 24-hour economy the transport section is part of it okay that's why akwan boni ko hey wa ba John Mahama nya bo tell the kwan adodo year of for year eastern corridor routes any corridor routes na the one that bring na kwan kwan bebre na ye de ma contract akabana ye wie no mo say ni na nti nei de be boa Ghana fo nyina pe 24-hour economy. Yeah, book.
Is it all about 24 hours?
Now, so we have 24-hour economy now. What bad roads are? When we piano.
Mobile money acquiring in our mind.
Acquire here in a swaying between NDC from 2000.
None of the parents were so baby. They are kind of concrete roads.
Sound trouble, Dr. Bamia, because mother should do one so called Yura or Sergeant when a year concrete road or Ghana will be okay. Wouldn't say 24-hour economy. So we need good roads. Now we need more trouble roads. Won't mean and a former part of this. And that's why John Mahama, the new one, what the 10 now a 24-hour economy. You're trying roads are very integral. John Dramani Mahama from 2009 to 2021, 2016. Acquire NDC here 15,120 kilometers.
Okay.
President Koowaa ever transform what tree acquire 4,000 kilometers. Yen under John Mahama President knows any John Mahama 8 years. Ye 15,021 kilometers. MPP Nana Koowaa no Dr. Bawumia amonoma anya de amonoma wasa Dr. Bawumia na nado. Omo pen nyina wo mo 4,000 kilometers roads. Nti wan na dom Ghana wa kwan NDC. Nti we say a 3-shift economy. Acquire ye be ye. O ye acquire 24-hour economy. Be for labor more. Nti wo anka company we for mo nya bi nye no. On betem fie no. Sa ko fo nyina be kwa adwuma ni bi. We mo pon nwumre. Na we mo pon no pa. Dwuma wo we bi da wo. So wo hwe sen acquire fa so ye asawase. Town roads. We see this here, Greater Accra, Asalam down, any acquire Bibria, over Dabeti when in Aquania 24-hour session road construction. It's 24-hour economy now. Acquiring constructors come. Businessmen and budget somebody operating in the night. We give them incentives.
But you know, businessmen they bring so operating already in the night.
And no one say,
are they not operating?
Operating in the night, what you say? To say the leisure and the hospitality industry, someone that
they do already.
But you see, you need a government system that will augment the operation.
Okay.
Government system.
So with those that are doing 24 hours already, they don't have government.
So, but it say the whole government sector now.
Okay.
Health and a year 24 hours. But what health a year 24 hours. Okay. Ministry of Health, nurses and doctors.
For that one, everybody knows.
Very good. Apart from that one,
transport system they do already.
Transport system, Ghana, transport system na here Jumano. Individual, this transport system na oh yeah. This is another taxi ni Uber there. And no
okay.
But it's not as rigorous as Adia Chia. But what must
never show me test.
Ports now go even near about 12 about 3 o'clock now won't you see our bank here. Long room upon. But this time round, the airport say 24-hour port operation. Into betimi you will car 2 a.m. M 4 and upon what do Kumasi, M 5 no do Kumasi. But what economy we are building for Ghana. If you have a Belgium maybe passport office, there's always a traffic or passport office. Queue with that. What you say? And
so also very running 24 hours.
24-hour economy. So at any time we are person we have documentation Ghana Immigration Service 24 hours.
Okay, so it's going to be under the government.
And not a government system or tricky. Now I affect the private sectors.
All right.
It's about the 24-hour system operation. Now private sector also taking advantage.
Okay.
Assignment to it. So yeah, Ufa Kukumase Asqua. Now we reach them as well constituency. Ahensan, Blue Way, Kasi. I want to the industrial hub. So what you say? First, now come over running shift and no more running 1-day system. In Tiabanisana, we found a friendly person, Lipa Bakwa, and the company be running. Company can so around 24-hour. What it means is say, the man of separate meters are separate meters now. A year Juma from 12:10 p.m. now starting reading at 50% discount rate.
Okay.
Baby, first, no, you say unemployment. Or man, unemployment will be to see unemployment be able to maintain number one year Jumaya, 12 women to form a quadrature, and a warring trend, but 24-hour economy. Say, and make a dex when the people could town will be stay as a son of pensioner. 3 people are going to rotate that same best.
Okay.
But what am I saying?
That's what I said.
For me, and some trans abdex and then rotate. And only idea but and nothing almost a thing you say candidate be actually or dreaming.
All right, thank you so much. That's not a discussion for this morning. I don't pay maybe so said what to say minority for say Zambia a war budget no no nyadia wo mbegyatum ama eno enam so my His Excellency Nana Dankwa for the President of the Republic of Ghana atonsa afre ne MPC nyina se bebia obia no omra mahye bidwafi sene be ya wo mbetimi asinkonya na wo matimi ayede so mbegyatum so wo monyentum no wo matimi adi ayadwuma na no pemi so bisa se is it all about dodo na a Beba Parliament House and a bit Yama Sebio. There was some Mujitum or budget name, and at the end, quite some Mujitum or budget name or what similar comments here now.
But I was I mean, Chairman Honorable Dr. Sabo.
Great.
The Chairman Council, one politician, may I don't.
I can say Miss Mitchell.
Honorable Dr. Sabo, Chairman, which is safe Yami. Also, Mitchell, I don't say Koowaa. Who are very calm in nature. That
is not calm. That is not calm. Calm in nature, yeah.
Or very calm.
Okay.
But
when it comes to
but only push over.
Okay.
Silent perception. So let me say I'm very calm some way.
But I don't push over anyway.
Sana mentorship and orientation.
Okay. That's it, because I know Yamin a lot. I like him a lot.
Sure.
Just the way out here.
Very good. Said your tea now. On you to travel to travel.
Oh boy, we can't jump on to me as I'm saying I need him here one day to talk to him. Yeah.
We can have 2 weeks ago. Say I buy the budget now there, but he in the chambers of the Speaker had the cause to say had in the parliament. But also to say Speaker can say chambers of the said the most hopeless, uninspiring budget who I show check. And I could send a budget. Yeah, we you could see. Sanitary pad is one. That's when you data. Yatu. Budget, Bluetooth, Yatu Bluetooth taxi. Budget, man, better, you can crank. You're the tax about budget. It's one more person was a budget when you position budget. Budget are driving the MPP government into position. If the chairman is about to mean I want to from many won't come up. So when I go to parliament, and I am minority force, yet any money tracker. Come with your numbers and approve the budget. MPP for that can say budget in chain crime. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia budget now you are baking time. And you was your budget.
I said no budget. Ghana budget.
I have a budget statement. It is read on behalf of the president.
I know, but the way you presenting on it's
low budget. And no, president approve budget. And I call my bonus and some
exactly, but it's not specifically for. Oh, Jackson, let's go. Let's
budget. No, sharing before the plan for my budget we have to. It will fair we have a power. Yes, we be in parliament team to team no. Onu we are not kabumoko. Onu team dia na mu pi. Nti John pass na we be na frefrem. Yes, onu team two mo like we sabe no parliament team na no pa no. E do see be cover budget was on na dey. Every before now we dey there. Eni gwase budget we. The sent. Ni president can say wama a presidential fiat. You can say presidential order or a fiat. Baby I will be a momaji omo then the crowd so mo pomo me trouble and a budget nso no kan parliamentary order 102 na e kire wo say Saudi motion document order bia ba parliament se enwinwine ya dwundwini hu wie na eba ne se ye to so aba na wanye nipa dodo e parliament dan na ye to aba ye wanye nipa dodo ama yaka anye budget anye sa asemfo na antumu a sa asemfo no budget hihye mu no ye hu ne se ana parliament hihye mu no document ana ye asemfo a nipa dodo na anye den enyi ntete ko bi ntabeya ni buase se na akofo the last budget of his government now the budget the konyenyen ono akasa nim MPs dwane.
I don't think so. Omu say omu parliament.
Omu say budget we ni buase budget a year of force bakuma yensa so ehun ya kosie. What I say it omu dwane fi ho so on say enche bia na mo ka say finance minister MPP nipa MPs makuma 91 akaka say finance minister won monoma ti empamono pato wante was
meti ho asem
na say nipa ko ya sa ko prepare budget be kin kan fu say won mo yende won mo dawa ku fodo won ko party na ni mo ase we MPP party no won mo MPP na say kontebe we party ni say mo akuni edu ni say ti na ko form MPP budget no won mo parliamentary majority won ko pese MPP budget we on ba ko kan izi akufo do na wode wo bi da e ka budget die obi abehu se ne ye be ye na be bo ani peso yaso mind you this budget is for an election year budget we eno ne o mind akom masika eye afia ye to mo etika FPB aba preso oba ba oje budget na to se no be ya mputu nyuma kaka e wo ne peso yaso a ya ka hu sika se mo budget mu no ye sabaka
all right
no oja ye bi no ba oja peso swag no be retaining the seat
okay
but what that budget na free services from aye shewti shewoche ko boni because ko se e ko akora mo se ko se omo hunu so election year budget aba ko ma ko dia tun dada but mo say no be bibi o budget ndi aye ntro yakofo do be kan bia won nye won be ka che Ghana for say o ko tua health insurance ka enche bia na minority caucus in parliament eye fa ewo health committee on health honorable Akando ni senior no e secondary school
oh okay
yeah honorable Akando e be here press conference ampa e 2022 e be 2023 to the whole fiscal year just say afi imwa patot mase afi mwa 2022 budget na na edi 2023 mu no aban gigi sika se okutua health insurance sika wogigi nyina wantua wan cedi kwa ma health insurance e to mu se sa na beko ti mo mu dane no when your own MPs are running away from your own document, what does it tell you? It tells you were failed.
It's not out specifically that they are running away from
why are they not coming?
Sometimes so being co parliament house and obi be no can obi say permission.
Because
say kwai no ko be
one see my address for 1.2 billion to the bottom one yin. Yes, have the private jet for address for freely abrochire and then buy. Year every budget. And then the ban is saying I feel the young for private jet in the field be answer number. Really? Market was a budget I can according to finance minister budget of Kinkai. I mean 2 million see. Was this coverage on my new hand in a 176 billion Ghana cedis. See coverage on my way more fair ABC projected revenue collection 176 billion cedis. Now sika obe spend obedie obaboka obedi 222.5 million Ghana cedis. Let's just say sika be kan finfin no 84 billion.
Okay.
Sa 84 billion, sister 54 billion. Okopere we. This one kobo bosia. On my way so say economic rating. If we are so benya bosia ba ye fe bi economic rating. Ewi sikasem no akrafo no ene kontabufo no ye hwe wo bobre wo sikasem tutu mu a ene yetimi ka se we odi ne huso obo ne hoso otu wo bosia bi afama no betua Ghana ye free junk state economy ye rate ye Moody's rates is Ghana ye economy sikasem tutu ye no ye free CCC e chese we Okafo. See. Ubona go say won't mean tua. Enti no kromuni the whole of 2022 ABC 2023 aban compare bosia baby ameyema ibida. Nti budget no hwi ni mo aye nkurache wo so kwabere ne koye. Enti wo nko
menje ndi saade but more minority for and I most to say since they are not coming
the minority for your parliament yes mo mani antu omusuro
say no nyina ne ni ho
one na we minority
anya
o 137 ni nyina ya krado ya di eti ho e dey so mo mani antu aba no
and I make say majority for no say no nyina ne ni parliament
say ni no majority for na majority
say majority for some are making
now one also just say they don't believe their budget so they are not
they didn't say that or they have not said that
they say action speaks louder than
they not said that
some of them say we dey here e kasa chain one no accept
yeah
but also what man say until we dey here till na go police station yes intent to commit a crime is a section and the act to commit a crime is also a part until say me hu wa adwen ana se bio ensuo to na man te se ensuo to no anadwo ti ade chin so me hu sem for my hu from say ensuo ato PP for na kasa MP se wo parliament na mu say akufo ado asa Dr. Bawumia Akonde me hu anyi wasem kra de nyawo wasa be control ni bo budget enti aban na wo de wa ho sika wo hia 225 usu be nya 176
okay
difference be come here say difference be come 51 billion 51 billion so if we are seeing us with the car mo bi afa ma da wo bo awu tua ntu se ska no ko fa no che se wo mu wa kasa igwa wo ko di agbo nye wa ya ntutu ye se wo be car be di igwa wo be di abefi na 22 million 2200 wa sese mo sika so awu kun so be nya ma 1.7 Jamaica 50 Ghana, Pachomeboa, and America 5 million. 5 million now can was who we are see baby, I would have to be anyone born of Bosia. Now, boy, I bet me. That is a boy and a baby, so so they did from Makwaniboa, they won't catch on the Yaku, come on into my business hour. Maybe this is our bring your business hour. The bus I just home, I'm a choir and Chana dear. What's the point to me, Chana dear? So, yes. I did back when you see it. And go budget in the minority for MPs no. What we are doing, and ne can pa media ba. So ko afesua to mama was one 2016 sa afesua. Na ukra 100 cedis a utakoko. Uto anwa uto mo uto sardine meba na make out.
I want me for
2016 na nkasa 25 cedis. Akasa number 1 yes
they said we deal to Jimmy ultimato
but my sister my John mama was one see I can carry budget we are when you are shemu economy no set you
it's over
cedis uto anwa uto bayire uye kwa wasa to beef watu akoko watu kusua watu drink akaho na uko sra wase kwa dia na no sabe ko sama sia ya wa nkoko miiru ori ba ku bro nya na ori ba ku new year wato anwa wato mo wato kusua wato drinks na mo da akoko ni wura fie ho a akoko de ka ile de obo se wa se pie na wa kwa na de ofie obo pie na agene se ye aso we de wokume obo edi emane kwa wa se bebo wo obi dum bi se no hia be me na odi ma bi die ye ya ye bi afo wo be me ene bronyai sa 100 cities John Hamata
say Roma sisa ene etwem
ene bronyai
what's
ene bronyai aye
me de e beta
100 cities mo grant minto
ahona so intimi
ene ntie fo da wo bi me na koimu a na chese wo nfu kwa ba so abeda da wa sese adwuma de watu kwan nti wo yemu mama no e be so akokọ nso wa so ene yetimi ko yesu no ni
aje na wo budget ni mo minority for mompe
minority ya kan sem bebre yes taxes me wo mo no e hu ni faso
taxes wo yi bebre because when you look at cars ta obekra efi abrichi ediaba sebi so sebi
cars we ka wo to bi
yes electronic cars I don't use electronic
cars wo mo kwa de wo bi kroma
Oh, people are using it.
Why? They will use one electronic car. They will use a hybrid. Hybrid, a battery and a petrol. And you can know.
And I make her say,
I will say, Sir Carson, electronic cars, and then you will go to be a budget diabo. And your company away assembling plant wa. And your budget I will quest Casaba Kraka, which I visit a habo, and I attack what they abo. Mikoyi. And you want more cars companies or more assemblies or more assemble car wa. As you said, what you say? One go to Saka no.
Ediaba.
Na Ghana anybody who's on the top brand new. Home new second hand and one year to who's a born 20 now who's a born 2022 manufacturing age near 2014. Anybody was saying who got top brand new we are buying and I would do also. Was saying and baby where you bad where you tax if you in here baby anchor economy no. Omo team wa crab bank Ghana bank
ya crab
bank
ba say ya do bank
neba Ghana akofa do ba ni crab bank
o crab bank na be
oh really mama sauce na kinkan
that's in all even if you crab now
ya crab body
and I make us say this sauce no fine it could be fine he said there's a sauce like that but when we come to Ghana why when him say yeah we do be more yes I never joke ma you do body o kroma so backyard the name for there is bunch there is body sauce from where
www.indexbox.org Ghana was Ghana's plantain market report 2023 tie any www.indexbox.com www.indexbox.com the two million maturity in value terms United States constitute the largest supplier of plantain to Ghana comparison 86% of total import Ghana ye carbon akufa ba mu wa say wo man wo ye carbon body ye carbon ade.
This one I don't believe this news though, but
no, United States what mean for document being for
but what I'm trying to say being it even if say the few boss howsoever it is when you know him say Ghana to my question
www.worldimporter.ghana.com worldimporter.com in Ghana import cassava primarily from Nigeria 18,186 kilo megatons.
Yeah.
Germany 21,000.3. South Africa $186,000. Sikanko de banche out to Ghana from baby a TV show. Na na for food and jobs na way.
But is it there? It was
running for food and jobs away. Me never failing to me. Yeah, car banche no board here. It's Ghana for food and no one.
Yeah, trying to which ma. I was still not really accept this one because I know but I know say
no one because I don't to see when there's a source we cross check it.
That's what I'm saying. For this one they have seen it. I've opened it here.
Say Ghana crab banche.
But I stand to because it's
Ghana crab banche.
Or said that this but say internet is not correct. So you be so Kamal Mohammed Obabeka Mensa representing the MPP but when Yamba this Rano Mene Mira Jackson Pa so AD and Komono. Maybe say me comment next topic for this morning because you know I asked about some of the things that I budget in the more I say minority folks say one more engines. You spoke about the other taxes, let's say SEBI, some unnecessary taxes be on one you know, I don't know, money abai no, adwene se omo enyi ntumo. Now, fast forward no, the esabeso dwa ebiom na say from 2019. Address is probably as woman we school no nya de a ye post womo nye baby nkoye emesese de womo kasa o matoro to ankasa enti me say aban sikaroni ai nti ye mi are me we school de dada no means me nya adwuma
aban bi eni ho a under the Fourth Republic ye new stage ya ye beka say ye ho aso nsi adware.
Okay.
I know the member time for who Akufo aban ni mase.
Great.
It transcend through political regimes.
Okay.
Just say any baba Akufo. There is always a backlog out of Baba.
Okay.
Because Obi 2023 is here. Enye hona na be fa na djuma nti obet na fi be ya afi ana so nsia. The friend is a backlog. The bia no bi wachi. Nemo toa so be bria. What you say?
Yeah.
In Vienna 2021 for 2022, 2023, 2019 for bar. That the Yakobani say, come here and say, after the Nipana air boppies who were chilly, Wabro Naji, nurse and Titiano. Yaye or how? Until you were real saying Shimono, you see, I was seeing one nurse piano. You see, I was saying one nurse is to have almost 300 nurse in the also one nurse to one nurse to population issue. Also, one nurse in the also being a 300.
Okay.
Maybe if there's a new document to that, yeah, there's an amendment to this fact, they are fine. And the same way, if you take the table, and now move for the vision and the nation builder John Mahama who said no, unless if we are the piano. If you could whoever no, maybe a hospital a 1 year walk. Any person in any do not soon eco school, Abaya nurse for. We know now, question you found one year need that break. Availability of space.
Okay.
Into John Mahama Transit can say, I did a friend nursing training allowance. We year few. Now, many also quote and intimate, we are never found a man at nursing school. May year few. No matter what say their cancer came. Let me see massive big hospitals like a beam na obi being a baby na unless if we sorry tia John Mahama sabe no more first year 2016 we na koto abano
sabe mo kan so abano
and American nurse for change wo mu huro ye wo mu John Mahama no mu huro no obi adwere wo da achi hu se da achi bi current existing facility na ewo ho no hospitals ewo ho no mo number ni nti wa hwa wo wie school ye nya ba bi mfa wo nhye nti ma min ko si hospitals se ne ba ya wo nya wo wie abenya ba wo se da bi me di ni ya me allowance me di ni ya ene wo mo ne oh say there's difference between so akọ school and difference so bi akọ school wo dwene
yeah
John Mahama wa akọ school wo dwene ebi nyene ebi akọ school ba wo mo nyene but John Mahama wa akọ school ni bi and one said say friend the nation builder or the hunfo or see ade yo
but he didn't build the country while he was in power.
What you do my ma you said your my ma wa you dey jawa na e dey aso me bo you do my ma wa the more do dey any mu e kan ni na ye wo dia ti John Mahama won akasa te the salary ti o John Mahama won wa te the salary so eso efa ni ministers na mo bi ate ni na ketua so 10% when they see cheap compound health facility mako 400 at the Ghana we a public record John Mahama or team sika so na ketua so mako or ti obi or ti ne de so and or ti ni ministers ni CEO so nyina or ti obi a de so 10% we see hospital kuma mako 400 at the Ghana if you
mako 400
cheap compound no it is say e be a 2-3 bedrooms e won kurase team you ya wo ka obi yam kana na joa ye betimi de waduru ho ama nurse ni ahwo ansa na edwa bakesie me ba to tell me channel eno na John Mahama ye ono ani salary na katua
okay
So I know the 120 million. 12,000. One year Sunday Maui, no people for Janesse for you do. Abani 3 more thing, Abani 3 more thing, Abani 3 more thing, Montuntiano, your bed the allowance Bemamo. John Mahama started saying, we'll see hospital Marco Akasia, and Ghana, but Santa Memo and a radio. Who hospital John Mahama see?
Or see nothing.
Or see Sevilla Hospital, me pato that would be no correct. The land size at the second for not just Confanochi G Hospital. The land size is a Confanochi times 4.
Wow.
And you're very Ashanti Regional Hospital. It is a crew. It is a do not say that Kebefa. Or say a military hospital, I know after you know. And yet President Kufuor Juma, President Mahama, President Kufuor, they didn't come with the
okay.
But when Tinya,
all right.
And yet President Mahama, a pa, you what I know, the Chelsea, Miss Red, when you deem. Yeah, you say a yellow one cry. It was meant for the expansion of 37 military hospital. Now, so when you deem one who was saying more Amira, a bayan can be a fan cook master. As soon as your mama smart make any cool boy, never. I go to the military hospital. I go to me. Not the bus, man.
Okay.
The hospital was SC. Koowaa Hospital was SC. Was Akwaje Bosia. Koowaa Hospital was SC.
Okay.
What I say? Hospital who brought the mama see Ashanti region now winning. Ni na ne say obebiem na nurse fuyi because we hear population population census management o hwe be bi nipa na donso na wo de social amenities do go so I then alcohol nti kana Asante Boja we are second to Greater Accra in terms of population but on boa nti hwe hospital we gina wo de buy tepa be kwai Koowaa Hospital
okay
wo ye ni nyina ma Asante man say the bear nurse for the one in the padu do wa Asante ye ko be kan wo e wa ya hwem a nurse for ni mu be entimi amina ko enche hu se be boa won da che no ma me no papa no ko to abati aye president Kufuor Dubai
oh ma me papa no ko to
ai sala wa sinema ni bi se ko beto no tie fa ala wa sinema no nim si e si dan ma ne ba ni wi a wa ma ye problem wo so e na wo wi school a ti se wa fa na kwa aburu kira so o sinsu e ni because nurse adwuma yi enye hospital won't me nyɛ fie enye hospital won't me nyɛ fie enti nurse for mo kam sɛ Akufo do for mo adwuma no wo mo kam na ne nti Akufo do ntimi for mo adwuma sɛ wa mobra pɛsɛ Akufo do wa fa ga na mobra wo si hospital we hospital da kumpo hwɛ John Mahama ko hospital bi won kran the final Rich Hospital
I know Rich
oh na e bentia John Mahama le bugu ye see it was 45.
Very nice, I've seen it.
The whole Africa, Ghana, Kwanasa hospital. Or see a day at the room for John Mahama. And I put up for the doctor about me, I didn't any so Musu will see the same thing. La General Hospital, and then COVID and good. And the go home. On to Namda, Wakoto Brebo. One fair woman, Dr. Bamia, woman, Memuda. Wumba Memuda, your mamma say, more Mumba Memuda, no, ya can't memoir someone. Mususun, what did he attempt? South won't someone to Namda. Marcos Brabo, one fair woman, Mumu minder. Giddy and Famamo. I could follow intimacy hospital back.
I didn't just tell a hospital no years and what.
No, I didn't move from my agenda now. Why is you not promo for Casano? What does you need? What I got nervous. You also said,
exactly having him say, baby, and son. I saw it over the weekend.
Do my security. Next upon him, yes, say. I could find Dubai. Agenda 111. What workers out the Casa in here, honey? One day, Walker was said that was a Monica Cracker, and Yankuma. It's a never person who says one. I'm buying this space or don't back with you. I'm on my tongue Ghana. That brain hole. And I buy that one say only that brain tea. No share that they said that they licensure exams. Ever share. So who you know qualify for control licensure and who fail. Who fail to make us see more human.
And I mean yes sure so what or share that in the buy.
Licensure exams no. So we are not near. Control licensure. You are only called into the fraternity. Yeah, my own certificate. but what must say about when the days as special send a better we are going to me for what it's nurse free. That is the reason.
Oh, sir, or Sheslan or my dream, said this just a probably has his own
universities, the various universities. I go for the percentage of my bomb and Coladi.
Okay.
It's what because when the faculty trains somebody to be a nurse, say faculty train a management person. My option in marketing. I thought to say, the faculty in sweat training will be allied health. That's what being there, sir. Also, we are calling it. Now, we are a engineer, they don't call it. It's an insult in the first place. And in the end, say one. Sika kasa ko follow the between one cabo. We dig down the scanner massa. Sika ira we mind we no akofo do nfa wo kasa gudi. Abai we kwet mi koje $430 million every World Bank. No be contract Ghana for say World Bank for my 100 million. Enti anya World Bank for na hometi. Eno ma met to do FM wa. Nkode Dr. Bawumia nkwa ne Kenoforiata ene MPP for kakra bi. Nkesika wo ma fancy. Omo nkwa obosie bi ombo bia mo di bisie $430 million. What I say well this is my joy online.
Again I say some this can be seen.
Ma me nche wa dey. myjoyonline.com and the better so we invite interview Biala Paul our World Bank country director and I say Mr. Ya mama $100 million so ya mama $430 million aban so na aba mania say World Bank for my $100 million one dey twatro broni ada ko fo kama ya me broni ta ko fo do nka sama ntie another time yan ka
o dia ya o dia
it is behold on you as a part of the nation to be candid and truthful. Abaya Wamoko Airport Embassy Bako Oslo. Embassy no near Wodi Cartoy is the Wodi can see that it on $1.2 million. TMU.
It's no bad.
And I also got free Nipako to estate in Hono. Also got $2.3 million. We were trying to mention. And I buy Koto Safi and also got $12.6 million. And when you could get other woman, and I will remember me a tea about it to a Kabano Biaye, almost $9 million. I buy a year singing and say, COVID-19 through. You turn a maximum of $9. COVID-19 through, you turn a maximum of $9. I could find the minister Yabako. And they did Ghana for saying $19 per dose. $19 in Ghana, you have 30.8. So 30.8, no, yeah, will be a COVID-19 and doing beer. Only Baba could be a coup for the $10.
That's all the way.
Oh, say, oh, yes, you will. Why that's in it of finance minister and minister of health now the kind. But what my menu was it Ghana from Fanchano? When you see manager brain now one minute or not the back you born down or not the back 1 minute one corner a drawback I go for the woman pamabo no open say or you be a small for your profit ya the back of the name any partial down you go to room one for ya really be back and can part the former and also trying a blessing and $9 maximum. President Koowaa the minister and Ghana for $19. That is one Baba could be $10. $10 times 30.8 million Ghanaians. Who is the kind of money? What will be something? You have to check it.
Don't check, please.
Don't check. Nurse for the woman never been called.
Don't you think sending in a share a free SHS?
I think that be free SHS no quite is saying $9 billion. Abensu in for so Bosia Waje, Bosia Wabai Raja 48 billion. Now 48 billion, 98 billion, and that's on the FSHS. 48 billion.
Oh, say a billion or day. I don't know. It's not say
FSHS who come out with Bufu.
But students are still enjoying it. And when you go school.
Any part 12 to table who could dine hall. Any part 12 milk.
That's those days in the time to be.
You time when you go school now.
What time say?
Yes, time when you go school now you pay school fees. Now economy, you are such a way say, Uber to be my background, it doesn't cost you. And now Koowaa invest SHS. One top 15 million, then free no. Wa bread dem ma time ma which
edu
50 million. And now about to prospectus no 50 million. We go secondary school prospectus on 50 million. Now for the school year parazo one box, one gallon. Liquid soap 1 gallon. That 1 gallon.
Oh, now you won't find you. They do cleaning.
You go school you need to.
So do you expect to say in no man you get it there? You should continue to play. That's I don't get it.
Yeah, about that we need the one idea. See a catch him say we free. Na me mo honka. Na me ko bo honka chance na me etwa sika no mpo a. Does that tell you say free? When you say free SHS concept means who surrender will go school you pay nothing except the river to go to. Unti no kure bo no abai no wa form we break wo we do man sika nyina masa na no to frefre Ashanti regional minister was na no kure say me mama fere mpo say me no kure o kan
I said any meeting say this honorable Simon say me.
Simon sir. Okay. Sika bi eni o.
But when there's no money.
Na sika bi eni o we ka tro hene. Wo bu mo ya jeje taxi sika aban we nya aban bi enya bi da. Wo sika afofo aban da. E wona aban mu. We are over 13 trillion.
From the COVID?
No. From internal generated fund.
Okay.
And I was over 13 trillion. Who knows the car from Kwada school? Only hospital no mukogu. You go school near Friday when the area account so when the area account so
but so
the
what you say
nurse for the alawana we account so I think anything that was from no to about NDC.
Okay.
Also mo to about NDC. Now you 20 one call they say 24-hour economy omo dada you already in it because we run it next health facility no and run it 24-hour operation.
All right.
It in Kajoma si ho omo Kwan any si kwan and your complete hospitals we na Kenya go move.
All right, Mira George Pry and it's Jackson Pry and it's in Kano. I just read our communication team member for DNDT. I feel na Mira Kamal and the late in the Waya Kasa di Morton. It's no come on Pacha Kaba. Bibi Aboko.
Lady.
Watch ye. Pop. Yeah, bro, semeswa. First topic in room, but me do a second topic him or better so because because it's in second time when you need and they are super one customer want to you know miracle me patch down one bay na ye she sister be son sebiado ya na se free our movie school from 2019 up to now you see en fa bebre nko you post wo mo nya dwuma ye and say the one more pine e dey na ba wo susa ban sikani ho and I said na mana banza
lady
come on
I mean what for I mean penifo
okay
I mean His Excellency the Vice President
okay
and then okay but another exactly bibi bobo man na pay anti I say bit ma ba I say but e ja to yon kosen de na e ba na e say me bom de an me ba eti ahwefo e de be cheme lady
come on
no kwa sabi ya nurse for de be kan say wo hwe ye man ya o
okay
de be ya ene se sabi ebi obeyare anaso ho bedodo na wankasa wakọ hospital na ebi awonya nurse ni amana anaso wodo obabi ebekọ hospital na obeduro na nurse ni bi ni wa obedoro because say de nyina ni mudada no okọ hospital na ayese nurse ni no ehwe wansa na odo wakọ eye doctor ko enti ya na eha na pepi no ya mpene se sabi omo be wi school na afi na bia nipa no struggle se obenya adwuma na so obenya hospital bi na se government hospital bi akwa ye adwuma
sir
but lady won me so be ya adwene se ye ba be mu no every 2017 o sha anes for yafa abai afa just a diplomo.
As of
Every 2017, a payment near many within Kumayino. According to a year deputy minister of your friend is saying health. You were Alexandra Aban was say a nurse for a banyafa a 54,000.
Wow.
A big cedar lady. A big cedar. South Korea ye come once me. Opening Kawabuma fine. At the blame me in a bino so. I will say I won't be son say or members. And that's for the was fire. It would never be near to hear the Yafi. What I say? Because so the Kaya or members. A year your friend is saying former Minister of Health. Alex Sebefia. What can be clear and as for say? And these are buying our number. Don't go money, Mahama, and a net Abenian. Also, want to me for more to more too. I didn't that because what the one for share a year IMF for any gun of phones, the gun of phones out of shop one I say, and to a finance for Nijuma and ye. And this said, oh, nursing training. Nurse we school now.
Okay.
But what the answer one can say be sim pampai. No one minimum no failure again. It's not talk about the film. Now for CV no kojija. Say a flower hallelujah. Ya flower and the amen. Sana nurse for the tonight room. Lady. Almost as I own you now. MPP are buying back 2017 as they be. Anyhow. You know what I say I'm being. Eti social pass anes for ya amate akosua de awie na ese aban form na se me na na bia se bi se bo tinken kan bi ase nkenkan ase ehwe bi ase na se o hospital na wonya na se ne hwane dia ene se lady na se o man no se bi o adane se bi se adane se dan ba ku bi esi island so MPP afa safo nyina gumu ewo say no kre say to de bia ebia na recruitment bia delay but so dey say ne sa anyoma no sa de no awo for very long time enya aban we nko ena sa anyoma we yehu but unless for na nka so be di ho adanse a ne de omo beka show say aban we eni omo di ni
okay
but so what I say because aban we no wa fan nurse for pa
so how come they are complaining?
Lady, and me di kan no say won tie hoyi me say sa di we sa kan ka we no awo ho ache
yes so must be
aban ko
but
lady
sit out
uni and you say ewo ho but e to be an apa na sa but so what is because we share mama bobo anyoma bi so kakre wa nchiro registered midwives aban afa 1268. Registered community nurses 56. Registered general nurses. But also what they say 507. Health assistant clinical 321. Registered general nurses 2389. Community health nurses 258. Just a lady but when him I say it is high time as on my question will be say under saying this you say MPP sad dear no
that's me so
but so I say sad dear no a bit marry a few because who say I was at you come on who say you know medical catch us ya for be power 54,000 anya for their go anya better sao but so I say but the issue is that aban bi emerson no dodo na kotina fie okay e ka che dodo na so say omo anka san sim kope omojuma because aban it me for omojuma okay and also forget ebi koya ma je say bedroom no bi kra no na sika na omo alawo bi e say e kokra na aban so otimi ntua onfa ma omo e ba e tia yo ana meboa enti ontimi for omo wontoto ye and second lady me ba na mi tiro so wo hwe your friend is a hospitals na de kaka ho na aban si anya he ogba he tepa hospital tepa district hospital ye ba ye me ba cho ye ba ye no ye ba ye no ena na na do si mu papa e ko wie ya e ko kate o commission pa so wa desi ena amanfo ti mo ye mo adwuma lady yare yi ba ye ebi sida aban agenda 1111 me no wakase about 56 there I want them to say ye wiana sa
finishing
me to say ye wiana sa
okay
afi be ko wie ye no na list aban net me wie dodo na a say yetimi komu ekwohwe ye ho ayar he pa so say I know that China even project Oma Penina da His Excellency former president John Ajekum Kufuor even project wa de pa wo ji hu sika ye bibia do to ho mo ba ho ye ndey e hu sika ni bi mu yi mu ba $5,000 as a $6,000 and the research 2016 say among foreign mamo family mamo say 2016 election mu be wi na na ni wo so sa sika no Oma Penina Kufuor e to ho say yen fancy hospitals no oh after hospital kuma hospital
yeah
but that's what I say and the kaka ho and so mo ndey mo nsi and mo ja no ho sa na ye beto ye so no ya hwe se ebesi and so wo kwa after hospital and lady it's almost by 98%
complete
just say biaro afi be ko wie na so ye wie and ama aye friends Ghana for and mo some ne yeka what is it hospital see aye confirmatory and so almost by more than 40 years ye bubu aye si and say baby odu na kaka ne ye wie what you say and these are some of the things about almost by 4 or 3 a year regional hospitals you see oko Western oko your friend is saying after you see the kaka one you see hospitals no me oba na your friends constituency yeah agenda one you go so every I don't know tell say aban wey is so sensitive to the sense no man for na won so mo no dwuro mo bebre and into the ocean unless for now 54,000 ya make one and hospitals here abani si no a true bibi enti sa wo betena na wo kaso and na abano and na you say and na nurse for no no money and hospitals go there is say wo hospital bed no wie ya wo ten wo say free one
so no they started they got to a certain level and I be a mobile so so
project here na make am we say 2 years according to contract no I say 2 years ye di wie ye gis kana e be to ho na mo betena akonya no so 2 years na say mo di wie no mo wie 8 years mo ntime si ba kokora wie o ana mo ja hokko yo ana make say e mo sa sika no mo bi ana mo yi mo $6,000
okay
as a $6 million ana mo de ya mo researches in some no say 2016 mo de be wi na ba no ana bubo mo so lady ye na nurse for the sebi me maka me say aikoya kanka akoya yare bi e da ho a aban bi e bebe bia no na ade sa je no enti e say ye hwe aso man
e je na mo be ya fa ho
de e be ya fa ho ne say me ni say ye friend say eye His Excellency na nado obehwe say saafo yi no obefo mo ayre ama mo adwuma because ye be pay ye so 54,000 then na form but just what is it enti anes for no omo no nso ntwa ope oh abai abai a oduro
social pesa no more 2019 2020 2021 22 23
maybe 2019 2020 debe na work no na 2017 na ya fa to 2023
I have not said it not
that was better
sweetheart you've done well
yes
but still I know we should say from 2019 na sebi NS ni and maybe you can that's it here I become a burden to my people
lady
someone and so was I by making sure say obe post me I will many adwuma here
lady
aye
so
2019
lady that's 2019 when you say be to back spa sa backlog na ye beto ye and ya fa bia to 2054 it is obi wie fofo no wonya ya
okay until what
mean say because we go 2019 we because say bia me so me 2015 2014 2016 aban farming omo nyina so e Ghana fo eti bia say a fe na wo wie anase 2020 na wo wie a e so hu say sa na lady mpenifo ka asem bi wasa abo no so won ka wa so fe ne senkyerɛw ana me boa sa aban ntime fa sa bakros ye wiem na say bia me wie 2019 2020 a me de me gidi a me won say aban be hwe no afọ because we still need them and that's a tell e ka say bia nurse for echo UK because e bia adwuma ni ho a say be jay yim so and me sure say aban no na so munya bote wa man te na aban ma aban because aban we ni the only aban a odwunu omo and this body hwe ni mo thank you aya te wuno ma no about aban
one minute quick na for time
MPP mantie no ye de eto na tete wo ma mu di pro TV so ko mo mfere project what they are dance yes a tron wuta project e Ghana sika wo na e bi na kwagis o financiers o baby obaba be si owi ani etua ne ka that concept no was discussed with President Kufuor even the project we discuss na to bo fe Ghana nka sabi
na
maybe na project obi anyi sika ntuwo eyan kofo bi o form the SA obi on internet bi awon the phone so gogo the SA omo le financial group and omo so omo sika omo pe be si hospital amaye me etuaka president kofo di tumu e kofo no ko pesika bana Arab Spring see entoma maybe 209 210 no sabaye and president knows the two it's the person that first signed the contract with President Mills. Secondly, John Mahama signed the last contractor, the last undertaking signed say you see anyone try bit me for Japan with the attacker and from Mahama and me the bell Kumasi sikabe na je to we I would trouble
Mr. Come on, come in.
Let's remember the man 1 minute. They talk 1 minute. Backlog I don't know 2014, 2015, 2016. Yeah. Also by a backlog I read 2019, 2016, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023.
Okay.
Backlog I read 5 years. Next year 6 years. You have to backlog 3 years. That's why you're Come
on. Lady, also be a new. Omoka so NDC MPP di atro. MPP en kan okore. You see, Mamen Kabi was my amount no. The amount was $590 million.
Okay.
I just want to meba. Cost of the project wasn't for Fabina. Cost of the project wasn't for Fabina. You come here Mona and now Mona you see the what is that? Also, when you say it to her, when you say it, what's it? Lady, was it the project included construction of 160-bed regional hospitals in Upper West and the sister-bed district hospital for Salaga in Northern region and the sister-bed district hospital at Tepa. You make a choice and now the commission here. And the sister-bed district from the sea. Oh, you two want to go over the sea, but was it sister bed district hospital for Konongo and 250-bed hospital in Ashanti region and the rest are 100-bed hospitals for Medina, sister-bed hospital for Praso district in Greater Accra. These are the hospitals. Now what can we say? We'll be the government go for dinner.
Ceasefire. Go find a course.
But don't just say
for you. All right, maybe I talk for me like 51 minutes after. Manufacturers. Batch of family, okay. Me cause I don't come out D4. Even for but something quickly was so and the river we go platform so. If I want someone to a cry, more call me. I come in 7 minutes. Na me call a dim comedy and I'll be hello, good morning. That's the real one. So hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, one kasa me you for so. Okay, you know. Kasa mo na yung kwapele ko. Mido, okay, Nima Boko. Also wait to me after. Thank you, bye bye. Okay, so friend, I uncle live on Facebook or TVGs. Couple of messages. I have this one from Amaka boss. Say good morning, buy him. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Uncle Bacho didn't let me free. Hey, you are what? Okay. Big into you. Oh, not true. Oh, so sorry. Sir, try say. Obi sa aframe bi na yakọ ebe ne so kwa na eko try so obi sa aframe bi me was 6 more minutes. This one says good morning, sweetheart Diana and your team. Keep up the amazing work. Thank you. Kingsley Oseke says good morning. Today your topic is actually putting pressure on the authorities driving at night on the newly constructed Pukwase. I'll come back. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, no, jump line. Hello, good morning. Okay, then let me go ahead. Hey, what do we do? Plan what try bring me on. Hello, good morning. It's me, Jack. I am. Me don't patch with any baby. I'll frame me free. Takrado cause. Yes, I will charge any uncle. Mr. Chawadi uncle. Oh, Kasa, Mr. Chawadi uncle. Menjay, I. Okay, we change the farmer maintenance. Eba, sister, we didn't come on. I was so I one. Eba na kana yako. I'm this is a bit around to Banon be one. As 4 more minutes to go. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I don't patch you didn't baby a frame me free. Okay, patch you into. But our mouth was seeing too. Yes, so yeah, that's it. Friend, na your last call man, I am home. I kiss me home. I say we balance we find out we dia by now you say 2 competition and it's election and it's election. Last caller, hello, good morning. Hello. Opportunity one of it.
But in free you connected to flag.
All right, middle 81 of it.
And this is why we are moving out. Moving out, growing more to the the millions are no for master. The normal.
Simple. Then yes, that's it. See, the more much now, and I'm most restless. Now, I see a giant which US, the London.
Your crab bunch.
Now, say a crab bunch here, US or see, most restless.
Women, women are toa. Century Fubu or my room or my Ghana fool.
So it's a training be a mechanic.
Sanima make come once a minute. Google never. As a training benny being here, but the better or the better program. It takes we to come up with these facts. Tinya say we have found better video so my integrity is very key to me. Maminchia mikuma mienu. Asantima NDC. Yami akmo echebeko meeting. Asantima NDC club. Ishemu Roman Health Kesim. Ye boy 19 enchibia ye bebo inter constituency gala. Ewo aswasi. Empasa na wotwi a date in between the community gala. Ye bono aswasi.
Aswasi park.
Bebo no ye you by any union no my no mboshe ni subin constituency ye ne ofurikun constituency and also enyagro so ba no ma na maten na me go scholar be ya yes and after mani chia me constituency ofurikun constituency me chia Gareba and me parliamentary candidate Sadat and well the lover boy you see baby ana me phone nyina agiatum okura nyina ne mpelifo nyina agiatum Sadat me sorry na me chia me team e wo for team fearless. Then your boss are that dom. Team fearless. We are everywhere. Unstoppable, unshakable, undefeatable. Team fearless.
Yeah, that's it. Come on,
lady.
My darling.
What's it? What's na TV so now work once. More than so more. It's me reading between the lines. No more say. Now work and said who to. You must say work as a crack punch. Once as someone in your crew as work. But you see, my mama did out. More for them. Not agree the whole. Now you 2.8%. By 3.3%. What it means in a say, ocean planting for food and jobs say the buy increase the yield. That's idea. Fertilizers on one year, yet the mark careful. I am 93,100 tons. Would ye? They're saying that say, what can say a crab bunch in a bar? And also in a bar. And I know because I didn't know Sabi Mitiai say, Ukra cap no soup. Cap Nisa. One may be a witty mark consume. Don't me from on my bishop. But that's what I'm saying. But say a year pine. So be a pine says so good. Now what's our will be so many massive. But that's what I say. So what makes it say 2.8 now in our great sector now, you're growing from 2.8 to 3.3%.
Young carbon.
What makes it say? Someone you, young
made us say, all right, thank you so very much. Made us celebrate. Come out. Ashanti Regional Communication Team member Sasuna Jackson Brown, Ashanti Regional NDC Communication Team member, of course. Producer for the show, Ras Sam Dark with Stanson Kwasiadumaku Jr. Director, of course, the famous Ima and the Fisal, one more and a bomb chidom or MC are making sure the BBR ebe come. Of course, as a piece and commodity for a info, but Samson Kwekwe was Stanson Dory for Vigo platforms. Meeting Eddie Diane, I don't know where or China, but about 1 p.m. and we shall move Kumasi 104.1. But the Kumasi
Mini ya Miss Bayario. Timaya Majus and your drugstore and Macope draft.
Oh, how to make our food Dory probably go plus amount. Sell J1 a boost to Miss